Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So here is my chicken breast that we washed with some acid, which was lemon juice. And I just put a little bit of olive oil on it. And now I'm gonna put my 21 blend seasoning on it. Turn an herb and spice blend on it. And we're gonna let that sit for 30 minutes before we grill it and get our barbecue sauce on it. Look at our hot dogs, all cooked up and grilled up to perfection. Look at that, look at that. All done up. Here's our low carb cauliflower salad. Well, our faux potato salad, as we're gonna call it. And so you can save all your calories. This is keto friendly if you omit the corn and the relish. You omit that, and then you have yourself a great keto friendly meal. And so I have our eggs, our hard-boiled eggs, and we have our bell peppers for the freshness. We have our cauliflower florets underneath here, right here, if you can see it. Our cauliflower florets, and we have our sweet relish here. We have our mayo, our children, our loves, our Himalayan salt and black pepper right there. And we know that I love the contrast of mayo and Miracle Whip, which we have the Miracle Whip right here. And the best tools in the house are our hands. So I'm going to mix this with my hands. Well, with gloves on, of course. You don't want to do it with your bare hands because we don't want to contaminate. Just mix this together. Just turn your bowl. Mix, 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 mix together. And we're gonna add some avocado as well. And so we have our avocado in here, and we're going to mix that in to make into our faux potato salad. Keeping it all low carb, sharing that love. Okay, so here is our coleslaw salad. Our coleslaw salad is probably different than everybody else's. I have the coleslaw. And coleslaw is made basically out of cabbage, so red cabbage and green cabbage. And I have some shredded carrots here, and I have my salt and pepper, my Himalayan salt and black pepper. I have my Miracle Whip and mayo, and I have our relish, our sweet relish. And I have some corns here with a little bit of red bell pepper and green bell pepper. Okay, so as I told you, your hands work best. So I just got in and dug right in, but I realized that I needed some sweet relish. So I just added it, and I'm gonna continue to just mix our coleslaw. I did add a pinch, and I mean literally like a pinch of cane sugar. Here's our vitamin content. Okay, now it's time to flip over our chicken. Look, this grill cooks so fast. So what I'm gonna do, oh wow, look how beautiful this looks. I'm actually gonna get our barbecue sauce going on the side that's cooked. I love this grill. Keeps the moistness in, and it cooks really quickly. This is just some store-bought barbecue sauce I had because I really couldn't find some of the ingredients I needed to make my barbecue sauce, which, you know, contains molasses. And so you can use any flavor barbecue sauce you want, or you can make your own. So this is our corn now that it's been grilled. And so we just have some melted butter here with some parsley. All right, so here is our grilled pineapple and watermelon. Looking delicioso. Okay, so we are grilling our burgers. You always want to put your seasoning right when your burger hits the grill. And I'll season the other side when I flip it over. So I'm taking some of our oil and butter just so we can kind of like cook a little bit of our yolk that's here, so it won't be totally raw. One love. Here's a full love. And then here's a love of our black pepper. we go. There we go. And we are good to go. Our beautiful molded eggs are good to go. We're gonna remove them and we're gonna place them on our burger. This is just my mayo with some chipotle, a little bit of black pepper, and Himalayan sauce. Himalayan salt, rather, not sauce. I'm just spreading it. I'm going to spread my lettuce. My tomatoes. Get a little bit of mayo goodness here. And here are a list of ingredients. So I'm caramelizing onions for our burgers. So we're gonna have some caramelized onions on our burger, and then we're also gonna do a mushroom with onion and Swiss cheese burger as well. Kind of let it get a little brown, bring out the sweetness of the onion. And so I now am cooking our onions and mushrooms, our portobello mushrooms, that we're gonna have with our Swiss cheese burger. Well, look at our buffet. I don't know, just our barbecue goodness. This is for my low carb peeps, you know, even keto friendly. This is the sugar-free barbecue sauce we have on it, and this is regular barbecue sauce. But I have our lettuce burger topped with a sunshine egg and avocado. And so here's our 2-leaf. That'll be the top of our bun. And we have the bottom of our bun with lettuce. And this is our faux potato salad made out of cauliflower. So there is no potatoes in it at all. Our meats here are naked with no bun for our low carb keto family. So we have sausage, and we have hot dog, and we have chicken breast with sugar-free barbecue sauce. And we have our coleslaw here, which also is keto friendly if you take out the carrots and the corn and the relish. And over here is our goodness, of course. Sweet potato fries, regular fries. We have our grilled corn. We have our hot dogs. We have our sausage. We have our barbecue sauce, regular barbecue sauce with our grilled chicken. And this is our mushroom and onions and Swiss cheeseburger. This is our avocado onion burger. And this is our cheddar cheese and bacon burger. Topped with a chipotle aioli. So I'm actually gonna just go the low carb way tonight. I'll just leave that for my crew, they can eat that. So I'm gonna have a little bit of coleslaw. Just a little bit of sausage here to taste. And I'm actually gonna taste some hot dogs, although I know what hot dog tastes like. And some barbecue chicken. Try this naked burger here. Get that with the lettuce. And I'm gonna grab a piece of avocado here. Cut my chicken. Season's delicious on it. It's nice and tender. And try the burger. Burger tastes good. It's our cauliflower potato salad, faux salad. Really good. And here's my coleslaw. Love it. I'm loving every bite of this, guys. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. Subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Come hang out with me again. Love you guys.